I've got some major updates to the channel. Stick around. Merry Christmas. Hello and welcome to HamShackTV. I'm your host Josh, AA4WX. Hope you're having a great day, enjoying the early start to the holiday season right here on HamShackTV. Hey, got several updates I want to bring to you, so please stick around to this video and hear out everything that's coming up. We've got a lot that is coming up in the next several months. First off, I want to let you know today's video is brought to you by Gigaparts. Gigaparts is your #1 source for amateur radio gear, but not only that, they also have maker supplies, computer stuff, they have 3D printing, they have metal detectors, gaming stuff, but for you guys that are amateur radio folks, they've got it all. They've got transceivers, HF, VHF, UHF, they've got ICOM, Kenwood, Yaesu, you name it, they've got it. Go check out my friends at Gigaparts. They've got a store right there on University Avenue in Huntsville, Alabama. But hey, you don't have to go to Huntsville to shop at Gigaparts. You can shop in your socks online at gigaparts.com, and when you use my coupon code HamShackTV, you're going to get double rewards points. So that's going to set you up really nicely to be able to get money back, or not money back necessarily, but money off of your orders. That's gigaparts.com. Use coupon code HamShackTV. And by the way, if you buy ICOM or Yaesu, you don't only get double rewards points, you get 4 times rewards points. So what do you got to lose, guys? If you're going to buy that expensive new ICOM 7300 Mark II from Gigaparts, do it. Do it using my coupon code HamShackTV. 4 times reward points, and with that radio, those points are going to stack up really, really quick. Check them out, gigaparts.com, coupon code HamShackTV. All right, let's talk about some changes that are coming. As of this recording, it is Thursday, December 4th. We were supposed to have Tim Berry on the channel tonight. Great guy, he's the ultimate radio man. Unfortunately, there's been a scheduling conflict, so that live stream has been now rescheduled for December the 11th, 1 week from tonight at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. You don't want to miss that. In lieu of that, on tonight's stream, Marvin is going to talk a lot about Winter Field Day. We're going to do a preview of that, hopefully get with Andy and talk a little bit about World Radio League as far as how that pertains to Winter Field Day. It's going to be a great stream. If you participate in Summer Field Day or Winter Field Day, you won't want to miss this. Or you don't know what Winter Field Day is, you don't want to miss it. So tune in tonight, Thursday, December 4th at 8 p.m. for a discussion about Winter Field Day on HamShackTV Live. You know, back in the summer, shortly after the Huntsville Hamfest, I purchased what some of you call the dummy load, my pop-up camper, in preparation for the 2026 HamShackTV Hamfest tour. Well, we've been doing some planning and some talking behind the scenes, and I'm pleased to announce that Ham Radio Prep and World Radio League have renewed their sponsorship of the HamShackTV Hamfest Tour, fueled by Ham Radio Prep and World Radio League. Guys, I cannot thank James and Andy and Professor Jim, all the folks at Ham Radio Prep and World Radio League for making this happen and being big-time supporters of HamShackTV. Fantastic people, folks. So here's the deal. You see on this graphic in front of you, here is where we are going. We are slimming down the tour this year. Unfortunately, it doesn't look like I'll be making an appearance in Raleigh this year. Love Raleigh. It's a great fest, but it is quite a haul for a one-day show for me. Hopefully we can make a trip back out there in 2027, but unfortunately it does not look like that's going to happen in 26. What is happening is we are going to Orlando. We're going to Orlando Hamcation in February. Looking really, really forward to that. We'll be pulling the camper down there and spending Thursday through Sunday or Monday morning, one or the other. We'll be driving down on Thursday, early Thursday morning. Be down there, get to see some of your favorite YouTubers that are friends of the channel. Jason, KC5HWE, Ham Radio 2.0. I believe Josh will be there, Ham Radio Crash Course. I think K8MRD's coming. Mike, shout out to you, Mike. And a lot more of your favorites. Really looking forward to Orlando Hamcation. That'll be my first trip down there. And in May, we'll be heading back up to Xenia, Ohio for Hamcation, or excuse me, not Hamcation, Hamvention. This will be my second trip up there. It's going to be a fantastic event. Looking forward to being up there again and getting to see so many of you folks. We've grown a huge amount since then, so if you do see me at that one, definitely say hello. And same with Hamcation, if you see me there, say hello. And finally, we'll be wrapping it up down in Monte Sano and Huntsville, Alabama for the Huntsville Hamfest in August. And folks, this one always means a lot to me. This will be my fourth Huntsville Hamfest. And what an event. I love the Huntsville Hamfest. I dare to say it is one of my favorite, or it is my favorite Hamfest. But looking forward to going down there and hanging out on Monte Sano and going and seeing Signals again and seeing my good friends at Gigaparts and all them folks. It's going to be a fantastic time with them. But again, all this is possible by a couple means. You watching the videos certainly helps the channel. I do earn ad revenue, so I'm thankful for that. But I'm also thankful to Ham Radio Prep and Gigaparts. Folks, if you're looking to get your ham radio license, Ham Radio Prep is a great way to go. I totally believe in their product. They'll help you get your technician, your general, or your extra class license, and they're so confident they can help you get those licenses. You will pass your test on the first attempt, and if you don't, there is a money-back guarantee. See website for details. It's hamradioprep.com, and if you use coupon code HamShackTV, you get 10% off their already great prices. Go check them out, hamradioprep.com. And maybe you don't need any education. That's a fair statement. Several of you I watch, and I'm sure are extra class hams. Check out World Radio League. Folks, first off, World Radio League is free. It's free to use. There is the free part of the application. But there are several premium features that are available on the paid tiers. And I really think it's worth the money. You can import your logs from QRZ, and you can export to QRZ, all with the paid versions, folks. It's really great. I love World Radio League, and I think you will too. Go check them out, worldradioleague.com. And again, if you use my coupon code HamShackTV, they give you 10% off your paid membership to World Radio League. So guys, again, I can't thank James and the crew with Ham Radio Prep and World Radio League enough for their support of HamShackTV. They are a big part of why we are where we are. Folks, if you're watching this video and you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. We are on the drive for 10,000 subscribers, and we are less than 500 subscribers away from hitting that goal. When we hit 10,000 subscribers, I'm giving away an ICOM 7300. No joke, brand new ICOM 7300, courtesy of Gigaparts. They're helping out with the promotion. Can't thank them enough. Make sure you're subscribed, and if you are subscribed, go get your brother to subscribe, your mother, your bum down the street, anybody. Get people subscribed. I want to give this radio away before Christmas. What are we waiting on, folks? Why are you not subscribed? Go subscribe right now. Buttons down below. Guys, can't thank y'all enough. Appreciate your support. Appreciate you trusting HamShackTV. Go check out all the other channels that I'm friends with. If you're not already subscribers over there, go check them all out. Poe to Power, the Ham Radio Guy podcast. Let's see here. Tortoise Overland, the Hillbilly Ham, Andy N0APX. Go check out his YouTube channel. Ham Radio 2.0, Crash Course, K8MRD, Clubhouse. We poke fun at Clubhouse all the time, but we love those guys over there. Go check them all out. Freddie Mac, Ham Radio Crusader. He's also on the drive for 10,000 subscribers, so go help him out. Give him a good subscription too. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a blessed holiday season, and we'll see you in the next one. 73, AA4WX, WSCB 693.